process of establishing a market square in Ilawọ Kingdom here in Abeokuta. The process involves bringing the local government around to visit the site where the market is going to be located. This is the resuscitation of an old market that used to be here in Ilawọ. Some years back, the market died off, and we're here to resuscitate the market and bring vibrant prosperity back to the people of Ilawọ. So the market is situated at the end of Ọba MacGregor Road and right to the boundary of Kingta. We're going to build market stalls, both permanent and temporary stalls, where people would come to the market square once a week, where the market would bring produce from all around, Abeokuta and even Nigeria, to present affordable commodities for people to be able to buy tomatoes, peppers, issue yam, gari, so that it can be a place where people can come and buy affordable produce. It's a good and welcomed development for Ilawọ people. Everybody is happy, jubilant. We've got over 52 different market vendors, and there's still more people applying. And if we complete the process, will take about 2 months to complete. We'll build the stalls, we'll get all the necessary facilities together, and this will be, by the grace of God, will be a very vibrant market, so that everybody would see Ilawọ as a place where, not only a place where good people reside, but where prosperity also.
It will increase the economic activities, the purchasing power of the people, which is what any government would love to do. So it's supported, and we would speed up as much as possible to have it done. Well, my advice to them is always to think about developmental projects. Like you see the Olu of Ilawọ, Ọba MacGregor, is always thinking about development, just like the Olu of the Olowu of Owu, both of them, lovely monarchs, always thinking about development. So my advice to everybody is just, we need to develop our space. We need to develop our local governments. So with their support, I think I'm well pleased.
So my advice to other monarchs is that we have a role to participate in bringing our people out of economic hardship. This is one of the steps that I've taken for my people in our kingdom. The other monarchs can emulate the same process, find ways to alleviate pain and suffering for the people. We know that we don't have the power to administer budgets because our position is native and traditional customs under the Obas and Chiefs laws. But we can use the influence that we have to enable partnerships and bring things that can help.